Greatness is not found in possessions, power, position, or prestige. It is discovered in goodness, humanity, and character. I stand for honesty, equality, kindness, compassion, treating people the way you want to be treated, and helping those in need. To me, those are traditional values. Truth is its own monitoring device. That is, you can never lie to yourself about compromising a truth. Your biology itself will show signs of distress when you become incongruent with a truth.